Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Google Ads. Now in today's video, I will show you how to create Google Ads report for yourself or for your clients. So if you are new around here, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to log in into your Google Ads. Make sure you're logged in. And basically, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. And you will basically go here. And once you're logged in, you'll need to click on the reporting icon. So it's right at the top right corner of your screen. A new window will open up where you'll either select the predefined templates to start creating your reports or create custom reports from scratch. So this is how it's going to look like right here. As you can see, you have reports, you have custom reports, or you can open these reports right here. Now, keep in mind that as you can see here, you can create your reports in table, line chart, bar chart, pie chart, or scatter chart. These are just type of charts that you can generate your report in. Now, obviously, once you do that, once you select it, you can set up the dimensions and metrics for custom Google Ads reports. So for example, you can name your report however you want. And then as you can see right here, to start defining your report, you'll need to drag and drop the dimensions and metrics from the panel on the left right here and click on the campaign dimensions and drag it onto the canvas. You can also choose ads, keywords as your level of detail as well. But once you have that, you can actually go and you can save this. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, save. So once you have all of these filters right here, you can just hit save. And here you have also download as well. So basically you can download and save here, but it's very simple to generate and create Google Ads reports. If you have any questions or if you want more video tutorials like this that are quick and easy, definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.